Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you are an admin on the Facebook page. Without admin rights, you cannot change contact email. Once confirmed, open the page and go directly to Settings or Meta Business Suite. This is where contact info lives. Make sure your new email address and any phone for two-factor authentication are ready. You will need to verify. Begin now by navigating into Page Settings and locating the Contact or Page Info section, because that is the first editable field you will use. Next, find Page Info, then Contact and the email field. This is where you replace the address. You type the new email, click Save, and Facebook commonly sends a verification link to confirm ownership. Follow that link to finalize. If your page is managed through Business Manager or Meta Business Suite, make sure to switch to Business Settings and change the email there instead, because changes in one place may not sync automatically. Also, update any linked ad or payment accounts to prevent delivery issues. Finally, you must verify the new email address. Open the verification message and click the link promptly, since some links expire. Once verified, review page roles and business info to ensure the change propagated. Make sure any ad accounts or billing emails reflect the new address so notifications continue. If verification fails, one key troubleshooting tip: check spam folders, try a different browser or clear cache and cookies, and then resend the confirmation. This fixes most sync or delivery problems quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.